So this video is just an example of foam rolling. I have the roller that has the nodules on it, so you can do just a basic back stretch reaching behind you. You can roll up and down on your back on the roller. You can grab and hug yourself side to side, roll back and forth across your back. You can also position the roller on your hips, rotate side to side. Kind of relax the glutes a little bit, also lower back can get a little bit tense when you're squatting and deadlifting. It's a nice way to relieve it. Another common area of tightness in squatting is the quads and the adductors. You can lay on the roller, roll all the way down and up. You can also twist left to right a little bit. Ultimately, what you're trying to do with the roller is you're trying to search around, across and in your tissues, trying to find areas of tightness and loosen them up as much as possible, give you a little bit of relief so you can continue with the training.